Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Stocks and Bombs, where we talk about all things stock. If you can't tell from the title of the video, today we're going to look at how to find stock using TD Ameritrade's app, ThinkorSwim. I don't know about you, but I'm always hearing about the next big stock. This one is going to explode, this is going to go parabolic, but then by the time I hear about it, the stock either already exploded or it was a dud the whole time, right? So I really like this app because you can be really specific with the criteria that you're looking for, right? For example, if you're looking for real estate trust or real estate investment trust, REITs, with a closing price of no higher than $25, you can search specifically for that stock using the app. Um, the app is really helpful. There's just a lot that you can do with the app, and it might take time to figure out all the ins and outs. But for the time being, we're going to look at what I do to find my next stock. Um, so let's get started. This is the home screen on ThinkorSwim, right? You can add widgets if you like. If you want to add, if you have a portfolio with TD Ameritrade, you can pull up your account and your portfolio. You can pull up market data. You can get quotes, economic data metrics. You can scan. You can get scan results for the top 5 picks and watch list heat maps. I haven't used that before, but it's there, right? What else? You've got your articles here or your little snippets of information, but we are focused, we're going to keep our attention up here, right? So we have your monitor tab. That's where your orders are. If you have any working orders, any fill orders, what's been canceled, rolling strategies, trade. If you want to come here to trade, you can analyze stock here. This is where you can, this is the scanner. We're going to come back here in a second. This is a watch list. This is, you can come here to make charts or read charts, help you determine the trend for a stock that you could be potentially interested in. You can also do your own charting here. We're going to come back here too. Not in today's video, but we are going to come back here. We have an education tab, and then we have the help tab. But like I said, we're going to go back over to scan. We're going to make sure that stock hacker is selected. We're not doing options or spreads or anything like that. We're sticking with stock hacker. So we're there. In scan in, we want to make sure that all symbols are selected. For the purpose of this video, you can break it down into categories, the symbols, the ticker that the stock goes by. You can search indices, futures, funds. You can pretty much whatever you can think of, you can do here. You can search by percent change gainers, losers, ETFs, lovers and losers. You can even search by industry. So if you're only interested in energy, if you're interested in materials, consumer discretionary, like I said, the REITs, all of that is here. Um, let's do let's do real estate. Let's do real estate, right? So we can either do the REITs or we can do real estate management and development. Let's select all real estate for the purpose of the video, right? All right, so here you want to add condition group, and we can either do, once we set our criteria, we can have it so that all of the following meet the criteria. We can look for stocks that meet none of the following criteria, or we can look for stocks that meet any of the following criteria. But we are going to, for the purpose of this, we're going to do, let's do any of the following, right? And we're going to go to add filter. We're looking for stocks. Remember, that's all we're looking for. And then from here, more options. We can either select ones, ask price, back volume, bid size. We can do closing price, the net change. Let's do the open price, and let's do an open price between $10 and a maximum of $100, right? Says we have 248 matches, and then let's scan 224 matches. You've requested a very large number of symbols. It may consume a lot of memory and network traffic, but we have stuff to do, so that's what we're going to do. We're okay with it, right? And then here, showing 214 of 214 matches. So we can sort it by symbol, which is the ticker symbol, right? A description of what the stock is, the price that it closed at. We can do the net change. We can do the net change, the percent change, the volume that was traded, the bid and ask price, the high and low, which was the high that the stock was at today or the low that it was at today. We can do market cap or volume index, right? We can organize them pretty much however we'd like. And then once you select your stock from here, if you're happy with what you see here, you can go through, kind of choose whatever you're interested in, and then take that information and do more research, right? So, like I said, this app, it has a lot of information in it. So if you're intimidated by what's here, you can still pick your stock here, whichever ones look good to you, and then take that and you can Google it. Typically, what I do if there is something, Realty Income, that is a very popular stock, and that is something I actually have my eye on. But something that I do, if it's something that I'm not familiar with, but I've heard about the company before, I'll come here, kind of get what information I can from it, take it back to Google, and I'll research the company, find out, the name of the company, how long they've been in business, who owns the company, what their track record is, how many companies have they helped make successful, that kind of thing. And then from there, go back to the stock price, find out what I feel like is a good entry point, something that's comfortable for me, and make a choice there. There are a ton of videos where you'll be able to find, um, someone's opinion on a good stock price, right? Or a good entry point. And it may be true, but it may not be, right? So my thing is finding something that I am comfortable with because there's so much information out there. And I feel like if you are equipped with the tools, you can make the best choice for you. You know what I mean? And you don't have anybody to blame except you. You know what I mean? Or at least that's how I feel. That's how I look at it, And these are just a few of the steps that I take in order to find the next thing that I'm comfortable with. So, if you want to see what else I do, or like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.